But Adrian, if you would like to spar with Bobby Green,
He said, Adrian, if you would like to spar Bobby Green, I'll personally pay you $50,000.
and we will pay you $50,000.
You heard that, cuz?
My team at Bad Guy Inc. will bring the cameras, and we will pay you 50.
They said
I'll
they'll,
spar him again for 50,000.
they said they'll bring the cameras, and we will personally pay you $50,000 if you spar,
I'll
cuz.
spar him again for 50,000.
Tell them cough up some more money, though.
Some more money though. My mama though.
Tell them to bring cash, too, though. You don't even need to do that.
I don't need to do that.